Blessing Squad, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to go get my hair done. As you can tell from the title of this video, I haven't had braids in such a long time, so I just want to, because braids help my hair grow for some reason, I don't know. But today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to go get my hair done. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave to be a part of the Blessing Squad, because always spread is positive, and I hope you all are having a blessed and amazing day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video rolling. Hey Blessing Squad, welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys need to excuse my voice. My morning voice is not the very best, okay? I haven't done the hey squad, hey squad. Let me do the wall for you guys. Let's hit it. Oh. I don't know how this vlog is gonna go, because like where the vlog started from was when I was getting my braids done, as I just showed you guys. Today's vlog, I'm gonna be taking you guys about in today's vlog, we're gonna be getting ready for work, because I have to be at work at 10:45. So we're gonna just do a little something on my face, okay? So then I'll bring you guys throughout what I do next. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of the Blessing Squad, because always spread is positive vibes. And right now I'm gonna do a quick run through of my makeup, so like you guys are not bored, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with this vlog. Yeah. Alright y'all, I just finished getting ready. So I just did a semi no makeup look, like okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on my shoes and then get going, because I'm not trying to be late, okay?
I just wanted to be nosy.
I get a thumbnail. Everybody gets a thumbnail.
Let me make sure I cover my name tag, but you guys try to stalk me.
Period. Alright y'all, I just got off work. Work was nice today. Ooh, look at that skin. I'm feeling myself. Can't tell me nothing. Period. But okay, let's stand in the sun. Ooh, okay, is this good? This is better. Okay, but I'm about to go home now, and I think in a few hours I'm gonna be going to the movies with my friends, so I'm gonna vlog that And yeah, I'll catch you guys when I see you guys. Hey guys, this are a few of my friends. I'll show you the other two when we get into movies, but I don't know what movie we're gonna go see, so I'll just show you guys when we start watching the movie. This shirt, it was from my haul. It's from Shein, and my hair, me. But
just a quick PSA, y'all. Never make. What was I gonna say?
A few moments later.
Never make plans with black people, y'all. Cause they never
people in general,
African
man.
actually, yeah. Cause they never
African
took the time.
people.
Like,
okay, guys, today has been an adventure because the movie we went to before, the times are like different, and like the movie we want to see is like 2 hours. So by the time we're gonna be done with the movie, it's gonna be really late. So we're trying to go to another movie theater that's gonna be like more faster. Candy run since the movie's candy is like expensive.